How to save video from Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the tab Videos. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the videos. Scroll and navigate to the video that you wanna save. So I have selected this one video. At the right corner of the video, you're gonna find the Share option. Click on that. Now different options will appear, but you won't find the option to download it. So what you have to do is click on this option, copy link. Once you have copied the link of the video, close this, navigate to your preferred browser, then you can head over to any of the website from where you can easily download the Facebook videos. You'll need to paste that link over here and click on download. Again, click on the option download. Click on download option, click on open. So here's the video. Now click on the Share option, click on the option save video. With that, the selected video will be downloaded to the gallery. Now I can launch your gallery and check. So this is how you can save video from Facebook. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.